Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is DuoDiaries by AK, and today we are going to install this Eufy security camera, which is the model number S330. So let's start. So this camera comes with the video recorder. It also connects with your Wi-Fi, and you can open your house or close your house with the mobile phone. So I'm very excited to just try this new camera from Eufy, and let's see how this lock comes with. Also, it has no monthly fee to record the videos. You just need an SD card and that's it if you don't want to use the cloud. So let's go. So we are at this door and I'm gonna install this camera here. So, and as you can see, this is the door, and from here we are gonna remove it. So I have the drill machine. You can use the normal screwdriver as well. I just have the machine, so I will use that. Okay, so go here. So I will be removing the lock already here, and it is done. So you can see I have to just roll it a little bit from here, and you can see, so it's out. So this is the lock, this is out, the old lock goes out and the new lock comes in, and this is it. So the lock is out. Now let's start. So now I will be unboxing this Eufy camera. Let's close the door as of now and let's go with that. So we are going to unbox this Eufy camera now and see what it comes with inside. Just keep this here, and I will put the link in down below in the description as well. I purchased it from the Amazon in the sale. So okay, it's in good packaging here. Okay, it is. So this is our lock, as you can see, and so this is our camera, the doorbell camera, as you can see. This is the lock, which will do. And this one, let's see what it comes with. This is the battery from the Eufy. These are the booklets. Of course, we have to keep them, which no one reads. This is the chime, which we want to place it near the Wi-Fi. These are the screws, and these are the keys. And this is the one. So let's go. Let's see, open the booklet, what it is. Okay. So this is the whole installation guide here. Let's see what it is. So it will just tell you where it is: fingerprint scanner, how to open or close the locks, the Wi-Fi, and the doorbell chime here, and the compatible doors, as you can see, and this deadbolt installation. So this is the main part, installing it. So let's see where we have to install it, and let's start with the process here. I haven't done it in the past. This is my first time doing it. So if you think there's any problem with that, just let me know and I can fix that. So right now we just go to the door. Now we're gonna install the Eufy lock from here. I've already opened it. So basically in the booklet it says install deadbolt first of all. And deadbolt, there are two options. Either you can just do it with the deadbolt here as shown, or you can go with the strike reinforcer for more security. So I will go with the strike reinforcer. It comes in the package only, so you don't need to worry to buy it additionally. So this one has a very interesting feature. So if you rotate that, so if your latch hole, like this thing, is like pretty, and you can rotate that, and you can just larger in the Eufy. So I will attach it with the larger one because my latch hole is a little bit large. So here you go. As you can see, now the length increased. So now I will be installing it. Make sure the top side is on top, which says, and it's in here like this. You can see it goes in straight here like that. So now I will be doing it. Okay, so it's done. One done. Now the deadbolt has been done, so we have to install the striker plate and the striker part here in this place where the door locks. So this one is our part. So here there are two options now. Either we can install with the plate, which is the striker plate. It is the plate, and installing the size striker plate here. So let's remove this one thing first. So this has been removed as well. So let's go. Now if you're a newbie like me, it will take you some time, but here's the option. So install striker plate. If you want to add reinforcer, it's for more security. So We'll go with the reinforcer anyways because we need more security for the house. So here it should fit in like this. See, it's coming here. Now we will put the, so this is the reinforcer which I am putting in for the more security. If you want to put it, it's up to you. If you don't, then it's not necessary as well. But I will put it just for the sake. So what I will suggest you guys is to drill this part because it's not letting me go inside more. So you will drill this part a little more. It's good. And now we will drill the bottom part. So as you can see, it's here. Now we will drill the bottom part. So I have drilled it. Now once it's drilled, it will be easier for you. As you can see, it's fitted like this. Now one more screw. So now one more screw, we will fit it here. That's it, it's done. And now we will put the other plate, which is the other plate here. Just 1 second. Okay, so this is the strike reinforcer. Now we'll put this plate on top of it. So as you can see, now it's tight and secure with the strike reinforcer. So this is all done here and it's perfectly set up like that. So now we have our next step, and for that we can just come a little bit inside here. It's very cold outside. So now this is our next step, which we have to do the exterior assembly here. So you have to check, so this wing, if it's exact 38 mm, then you don't need this spacer inside this, like this thing. You can just remove it. So I don't need it, I can just remove it here, or if you want it, you can just put it back here. This is the spacer here. If you want to remove it, if this is 38 mm wide exactly, you can remove this thing if you don't need it. So you have to place this thing, which is show you each and everything here. Let's see. So you have to just pull up the wires first. So it goes like this, and you can see it connects here. Okay, so it goes like this, it's connect here. So I will try to show you. Remove it. So here from this hole, so as you can see, from this hole it went by, and this will go by this end here from the back. So it's done. Now it will place it like this. Now let's go to the next part here. So the next part says that, and I have removed the spacer as I already told you, because my width of this hole, it's 38 mm. This hole is 38 mm. Now the next part is to interior assembly. As you can see here, detach the back cover. So I will be detaching the back cover from here. So this is the final lock. So I will detach the back cover. So now we have to take the back part and we will just attach it with the door like this. So you have to run the wires through this and then here. So it will be like this, as you can see. So I will tighten that up. Okay, so these are the two screws which we will gonna use. So it will straight away go into that deadbolt. See there. So one of them is fixed and now other one. So like this. Now I have to tighten this up. I will do like this. It's tightened, and as you can see here, it will be tightened as well, and both of the ends you have to just tighten it and see. Now it will be steady here and it will be done here. So this is the final part. Now we will attach like this here. So it's done. And this one, just 1 second. Okay, so the thing we will put it in here like this, like a small like hole. You can see we will put it like this. So both of them are attached now, as you can see. So now let's just put it back in. Okay, so it's attached like this. So now we will test. So we just have to put it here and this fixing wire here, and now we will just attach it like this. So here and like this. So now it's attached, as you can see. Okay, and if you see it here, so our lock is perfectly working fine. We just have to put the last screws in. Let's do that. For the last part, we have to take these three screws and just put it inside that one by one. So just put it here like this. That's tight enough. For the last part here, we have to do this. We have to take these screws and putting it in. It's tight enough. And now the last one goes in here. So that's done. So as you can see, the lock is now all set up and that's good. So this one is the battery for the lock, and you can just charge it with the type C here. So we just have to put the battery and the Welcome to Eufy Security. Please download the Eufy Security App to complete setup. Now you can see it's telling us to download the app, and there's an LED indicator in the battery as well if you want to check that out. So there's an indicator as well. If you put it at charge, it will be blue and it says fully charged as blue. So now we just put back in. So our lock is almost ready. And finally, after the first time, and finally it's done. So this one was the last here, and that's it. The lock has been done. So I will show you the next part what we have to do. So the lock is done, as you can see here. If I sit, so now the lock has been done. Now let's come to the final part, which is doing it with the online app. I am recording from the phone, so I'll have to take another phone and make the video from there, but I will do that right now. So as you can see, if I want to unlock this, I have my fingerprint on and it's saying, excuse me, how can I help you? Now see, it worked. So that's how you can set up the fingerprint as well inside the app. So it's working properly. So the last step is to set up the app. So now I will be pulling up the phone. So this is the Eufy Security app which you have to download. And in the meantime, we will set up the chime. So here is the chime here. And now we will put this in this direction. So here's the chime. And now we will fix it here and just clock it in the clockwise direction. You can see the clock sound. Now what you have to do with this is you just have to put it in plug anywhere. So I just put it here in this plug and it's turned on. Make sure to put this in between the router, which is here, and the door, which is over there for the. And once we have set up the chime, now let's start the last step. The app has been downloaded, so let's open the app. So it says to sign up. Let's sign up right now. So now as you can see, the chime is working and it's saying that we have to follow the steps in the app. So I have already set this up. So click on next. They want to send the notifications, click on allow, and just click on allow for that. Now it says please add one home base bridge and rollback before the setup log, so we have to add that as well. Click on next. So we are on the app right now and we have to first get the chime working and then the doorbell lock. So we will first add the doorbell chime right now. So Wi-Fi bridge and chime here, and now click on next. So we have to just scan the chime as of now. So let's take it here. So here is the chime. So as you can see, here's the QR code on the chime, and now I will scan the QR code of the chime. So it's done. So now it will be installed here like that. The QR code is done. So now next, so it install the power is coming here, and then it says rotate the antenna to angle that's shown above. I have already rotated antennas as well, and it says plug it into the power socket near the router. So the router is nearby this socket as well. So now click on next. So the phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi, and click on next. Now click on allow, press sync button. So it mentions welcome to Eufy Security. Follow the instructions in Eufy Security app to set up the system. So now it's telling us to set up the security. So it says press the sync button for 2 seconds till the LED blinks. Ready for setup. So it is now. I will click on next. It's connecting to the device. So here it's my Wi-Fi. I just have to log in with my testing Wi-Fi connection. So it's testing the Wi-Fi connection as of now. Connected to Wi-Fi
successfully.
So Wi-Fi is connected successfully as of now.
Device was added successfully.
So give your device a name. You can just write in like home lock and click on continue. So device was added successfully. There's an update. You can just update it. It will take some time. So it's bridging the Wi-Fi between that lock and the chime. And the doorbell does not come with the SD card. So there's a slot here which you can use and put the SD card, and the videos will be recorded for the front door camera, lock camera. And if you don't want to use their storage by paying them the cloud fees, you just can insert it and use it on your own. So now it has been done. Click on next and connection test. So you can start the test. It's great. So it says no micro card SD card detected. That means there is no SD card inside the package. It can do a 16 GB to 128 GB card, and you can insert it here in this slot. So if you want to record the videos, you can put the SD card in here, and you can purchase it separately, which I already did. So as you can see, I have purchased this 128 GB SanDisk card. Now I will put that in. So I will be using this and putting in this chime here, and then we will continue the setup. So now I will be inserting this card here. So you have to purchase it separately in order to use it. This is the SD card. I will just insert it here on this side, and now it's done. So it has been inserted, and now we will check my card. So it says now to format SD card. So I will click on format, and it will be formatted. So it can take up to 5 minutes. I will skip this video. So now finally after 5 minutes it says formatted successfully. Click on next. So here it is. Now you have to click on add a device, and we have to add the smart lock, which is here, the smart lock, and then Wi-Fi bridge and chime. And as you can see, there are a couple of options here. So we have to click on the option smart lock, and then we have to click on next here. So it will say Eufy would like to access the camera. Click on allow, and now we have to point the QR code which is located above the battery. So here is the battery, and here's the QR code. We will just scan this QR code here with this, as you can see. So now, and you can click on I have finished the installation already. So you can press the sync button here. So sync button should be here right now. As you can see, it's a small button, this one. So I am pressing this sync button. So there will be a beep. So click on next. So it will say here. Now it will scan it. So we have to place it here. So it says to put it 6 inches away. So I will do that here. Let's see if it takes it. I will remove the film from here first. Let's see if that makes a difference. And here's the camera. Now let's see.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
Now it took the Wi-Fi and it will be connecting to the Wi-Fi network. So it says now connecting. Wait a minute. In the meantime, let's just close our battery thing. Let's close it. So it's connected. Now it says added successfully. Click on next. You can name it. It's a front door or a back door or garage door, whatever you want to customize. Click on next. Now the door and calibrate the lock. You should complete the calibration inside. So let's close the door. So I have closed the door as of now. So now we will calibrate the lock. So it's adjusting itself. So the calibration is completed. You can set up the passcode for the lock. Now the last thing is the fingerprint enrollment. You can start the enrollment right now. So I will just open the door. So I'll open the door, and you can click on start enrollment here.
Start fingerprint setup.
So you can select with any fingerprint. I would like to use my finger. You can see here.
Please slightly adjust the position of your finger on the sensor. Fingerprint setup complete.
So it's set up. Now it's activated. and you can see I have done the night vision optimization. So I'll click on next. You can manage the access here. If you want to give access to someone else, you can add it here. I will click on done and then update now. So as you can see, the update has been done. So we will click on done and the smart lock is activated, as you can see. So it says it's unlocked as of now. So if we click on this, so as you can see here, so now you can click on this and it will be logged automatically. And the same, it give you a signal, logged front door, logged by the door app. So now if someone comes up, I will show you. Kritika Aja! You see the night vision here. If someone is in front of the door, and you just have to click on this and the door will be unlocked, and you can see it's unlocked, the front door is unlocked and they can come in now. And since I have done that, now they will be able to come in, and that's it. And now you can lock this, it will lock, but you want to unlock it, you can unlock it. And yeah, I have logged it and it's locked as of now. And also it has like sound, you can make a two-way communication for the outside. So now I will be showing you how to connect the Eufy lock with the Alexa. So basically I have went to the Alexa app here. So I will go to the Alexa app. So here, and then click on device. Oops, and then once I clicked on the device, then I will click on the option lock. Then it will show me different companies which is compatible with Alexa. I have Eufy, so I will select the Eufy one. Now it will ask, is your lock turned on? Yes. Is your lock already set up in the Eufy app? Yes. Can you control your lock using Eufy app? Yes. Connect your Eufy account to Alexa. Next. So now I will connect the Eufy account. Yep, confirm. Eufy has been successfully linked. And that's it. Alexa is looking for devices to connect. So 3 devices found and connected. Next. Front door home lock. So front door. So where is your camera? So it's in the living room. I will skip that part. And the door is set up ready for use. So front door setup, skip, continue. So now it's set up and now it's done here. So let's try this one. So you can see its front door is locked. Alexa, unlock the front door.
Please unlock manually. To enable unlock by voice, open the Alexa app, go to devices, and edit this lock settings.
So unlocking is disabled by default. To enable unlocking, go to the settings for this lock. So we have to go to the settings in this lock. So we unlock with Alexa app. We have to just enable it like this and unlock by voice and echo hub. So create your access code. So you can create an access code. I will be creating one. So as you can see, I have added the front door and the lock. So if I go front door, it says unlocked as of now because the lock is opened. And if I go back here and if I can click on the camera, it will show the video. So as you can see, I am here. You can see my hand here, and that's basically the camera. It will show you the video like this. So the camera is showing the video. It's not recorded in the Alexa app, but it is recorded in the Eufy app, so that's good. But if you want to look at the live view, also you can enable the speaker and the mic, and it will go here as well. I will just disable it because that's too much noisy here. And now if I click in here, you can arm, disarm, or do anything with the lock. Alexa, open the main door.
What's your voice code for main door? Unlocking. Hang on.
So as you can see, it unlocked and the Alexa told the main door is unlocked here. And now the same thing, it shows in the app, unlocked by the door app. So now we just say the command, Alexa, lock the main door.
Locking. Hang on.
And see,
The main door is locked.
and I got the notification as well with the Alexa. So the main door is locked and unlocked and you can do each and everything here. Also it has a feature for the home lock to disarm it home or away, and you can put it at whatever mode you would like to do that, and that's a really good feature of this lock. And as you can see here, the camera is working And now if you click on here, it will say you the updates as well, like the door is unlocked by me and these are the recordings here. That's it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, share, and thank you.